welcome to my channel. It's good to have you here. It's good to be here. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Please click the like button, comment, share, subscribe. Click the subscribe button. Like, share, comment, tell your friends about me, tell your loved ones about me. I promise you will enjoy it.
Your name and what do you do?
My name is Miracle Ofodi. I'm a professional cleaning consultant and the founder of Omira Cleaning Services. Basically, what we do at Omira Cleaning Services, we provide professional cleaning services to homes, offices, commercial centers, and we've been in business for about 3 years, and we pay attention to majorly dirt, anything that has to do with cleaning. We are your plug. Yeah.
Where are you based?
For now, I am based in Lagos State, Nigeria, but JP things. You know what I mean?
You said your YouTube channel is all about cleaning. Is that the only thing you're going to be talking about?
It won't be just about cleaning. I'll be sharing tips, educative tips on how to clean, areas to clean, how to clean specific areas, items to use on specific surfaces, the kind of products to make use of, affordable but yet effective products that you can make use of in your homes, and possibly organic products you can use instead in place of chemicals. And also I'll be sharing tips on how to do DIYs. I'll be sharing DIY tips, yeah, and also basically helping you save money when it comes to cleaning. Yeah. Okay, so I started Omira Cleaning Services 3 years ago, and before then I had it on my mind. I had an experience or an encounter with someone that helped me realize it's something I really wanted to do. So at the moment I got the idea, I'm a doer. I take action. So at the moment I got the idea on cleaning, even without making research, I ventured into it, and along the line I started learning on the do's and don'ts, how to handle cleaning, and it's been an interesting journey so far, and I am grateful for it. And I want you to join me on this journey, you know.
What's your favorite cleaning spot?
My favorite cleaning spot. Please don't give me that look. The toilet.
What's your favorite cleaning supply?
Whoop, 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 whoop. My favorite cleaning supply, my clients know this. It's the spirit vinegar. That's my favorite. Spirit vinegar. Yeah. It helps me do a whole lot.
Aside cleaning, what else do you enjoy doing?
Service to humanity, go to church, serve people, always wanting to create awareness. Yeah, I enjoy doing that. Creating awareness, talking to people on how they can do things, how they can change certain things about themselves or about a certain situation. Yes, I enjoy doing that. So yeah, basically that's what I do aside cleaning.
Single or married?
I'm happily single.
Favorite song?
This song by Chike. If you no love me, yo, make you no talk say you love me, yo. Hey, if you no need me, yo, not go dey talk.
What's your favorite food?
Favorite food? I do not have a favorite food. Like, I eat according to my mood. I don't have a favorite food. I eat anything that is nice and sweet.
Introvert, extrovert?
I'm not an introvert, I'm not an extrovert. It depends. So I can be very quiet sometimes, at the same time I can be everywhere, like very loud and playful. So it just depends on the vibe I get from my environment. But I think mostly this is tricky because now I'm thinking about what I do out of my home. Okay, so let's see. I think I'm mostly introverted, yeah, but I can be an extrovert sometimes too. So I'm a mix of both.
Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
So in the next 5 years, I hope to have gotten a proper structure for my business, my cleaning business. I hope to have gotten a proper structure for it. I see myself in 5 years having a platform where I'm able to educate people, other cleaning business owners, on how they can run their cleaning businesses by sharing the hurdles I've had to experience in my field, the challenges I've had to face, differences, problems, solutions. So I see myself having a platform in 5 years where I get to educate other cleaning business owners, and also having a physical structure for my business, like a gigantic one, and having to have covered the whole of Nigeria. Yeah, be servicing the whole of Nigeria massively in 5 years. Yeah, so help me God.
What are your thoughts about what has been happening of recent in Nigeria?
Honestly, it's been really, really sad. I was part of the protesters. I'm alive today, yes, thankfully. I'm grateful for life. But I mean, we can do better as a nation. The youths, we the citizens, are just asking for a better governance, a better system, a better government. It is not too much to ask. It is our right. But then our lives are being taken for asking for our rights, not to be killed by the people we put in power. It's really sad, but then I am hopeful that those who have died in this cause have not died in vain. I am hopeful that Nigeria will get better. I am hopeful that there will be a better Nigeria for our kids, for the coming generation. I am hopeful, but it has been a sad experience. I mean, for a while I was really scared of stepping out of my home because I don't know who I'm going to come in contact with first. Is he going to be a policeman? Would he accuse me of something I have not done? Would he attack me? Would he even shoot me without giving me the opportunity to speak up? I mean, it has really been a very, very sad experience. But then we rise, we move, we are stronger, and I believe that things will get better. Yeah, I do believe.
Okay. With this that you've said, do you think that the current situation would affect your business in Nigeria?
Oh well, it's not what I think. At the moment, it is affecting my business. Like I said earlier, I'm a professional cleaning consultant. I render professional cleaning services to homes and offices. And at the moment, considering the fact that we are just gradually stepping out of the pandemic phase, that's the COVID-19, and then this hit us again. I mean, it's not been easy for my business and for other businesses because I service other businesses. So if they are not able to make money, I can't make money too from my business. So it's really been a challenging year. But I am hoping that things will get better and we are waxing stronger, because when one challenge comes up, I find a way, or we find a way to overcome it and look for other ways we can beat it. I mean, it's not been easy, but yes, we'll scale through. We'll be fine.
Okay, before we go, is there anything else you would like to say to your future audience?
My honorable viewers, I'm going to think of a name for my viewers, but for now I'll say please, oh please, like, share, comment, spread the word, and kindly click on the subscribe button. I promise you, you will not be wasting your data, you will not be wasting your time. Thank you so much.